nerd nigga get his fucking Glock. When his service 2009, oh that's fucking hot. Fuck with me, fuck with my niggas, we's a coming spots. Yo, I need that PC, that Glock 4-5 or that Windows 11. Fuck with me, nigga, I'm like lucky number 11. Strap a hard.
You know who it is. Now I'm gonna let you know what it is. Rick Ross' first annual car and bike event. The countdown is officially going down, and you gotta get your tickets right now. www.rickrosscarshow.com. No, can't come through the side door. No, cuz ain't got the plug. No, man, you gotta do it like a boss. You feel me? Ain't nothing but bosses gonna be there, so you gotta move like a boss. All the baddest whips, all the big homies, all the plugs. It's a lot of networking going down. This way you wanna be. Do it VIP. We're gonna sip some of that Luke Belair, and it's gonna be a special time. We're gonna have a good time, nothing but positive vibes. Right here at the Promised Land, right here at my crib. This special, the very first one, we making history. I'm talking about I got homies coming from everywhere. Get your tickets right now. No day of tickets, no at the gate tickets. We're gonna cut the website off soon, so hurry up. Go right now. Boss, much love.